Greetings, I am bringing you some straight talk. If starting a YouTube channel focused on motivational shorts has crossed your mind, listen up. I've navigated that terrain, experienced the highs and lows, and encountered my initial roadblock after hitting 10 million views. Today, I'm opening up about the reality behind the scenes. The reality of monetization. Let me start by telling you the harsh truth. Creating motivational shorts channels like the ones you've seen might not be your golden ticket to monetization. In fact, it's only a matter of time before you receive that dreaded demonetization message from YouTube. Here's a recount of my journey. Following the attainment of 10 million views, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. The result? Rejection. It's indeed frustrating, and I'm here to shed light on the reasons behind this setback. It's likely you've come across videos featuring these gurus proudly discussing their monetization success with similar content. What often goes unnoticed is the minimal effort they put into creating a brief 30-second video. Behind the scenes, they spend mere minutes on casual editing, using basic software that ensures a quick and straightforward process. But wait, there's a game-changing method that's fresh, and only a few channels are onto it. I'll show you 3 examples of channels that gained more than 1,000 subscribers in just 3 months, and some videos hit over 1 million views. How? By making script using AI. AI-generated short stories. These channels leverage AI to transform historical content into captivating short stories. The YouTube Shorts algorithm loves the uniqueness, pushing their videos to a wider audience. Let me show you some of their videos to give you a taste. First channel. This channel has 266 videos and 759K subscribers, and started on January 1st. This channel has 62 videos and 49K subscribers, and started on April 17th. This channel has 70 videos and 201K subscribers, and started on June 23, 2023. Let's watch one of the videos.
Crazy facts about Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon had a math-loving side. He excelled in the subject during his time at the Royal Military School in France. Napoleon's gloves and hand measurements are on display at the Musée de l'Armée in Paris, revealing his surprisingly petite hands. Napoleon had a...
Stick around, because I'll take you through the step-by-step guide on how to create these unique videos using only ChatGPT and CapCut. It's simpler than you think, and I'll even spill the secret these guys use to make every single one of their videos go viral. ChatGPT script generation. Start by using ChatGPT to generate your script. I'll show you the easy way to get your script ideas without complications. I even have the prompt ready for you in the description below. Text-to-speech with 11 Labs. Next, we'll turn the script into a voiceover using a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. It's quick and easy. Just copy and paste your script, select a deep voice, and generate your voiceover. Image creation with AI. Go to leonardo.ai and write a prompt according to the description. We need between 10 and 15 images. CapCut editing. Time to bring it all together in CapCut. Import your voiceover, AI images, and start editing. Adjust the aspect ratio, play with the speed, and ensure quick transitions between footage. Add the fade-out transition for a polished look. Here's the secret sauce. Use trending music from YouTube itself. Export your video from CapCut, upload it as a YouTube short, and select trendy background music from YouTube's recommended sounds, and you're ready for virality.
Napoleon Bonaparte had some peculiar quirks. Despite his military prowess, he had a fear of cats and would avoid them at all costs. Legend has it that during battles, he carried vials of poison in case of capture, showcasing his unwavering commitment to control his destiny. Additionally, he was not particularly tall, standing at around 5 feet 6 inches, earning him the nickname the Little Corporal. These oddities add a touch of eccentricity to the formidable historical figure that was Napoleon.
And there you have it. We've created a motivational YouTube short that's set up for success. If you enjoyed this guide, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.